What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you every method of getting these special shop tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. Alright, so the first method of getting these shop tickets is actually by going to tickets right here, the usual shop, and if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option to buy special shop tickets with 300 normal shop tickets. So a single shop ticket will cost you 300 normal shop tickets. And if you would like to know all the ways how to get normal shop tickets, I will leave a video link in the upper right corner. So that's the first method on how you can get the special shop tickets. So by just exchanging normal shop tickets for them. But it would take a lot of time to save up 300 normal shop tickets. Now let's move on to the second method. So exit your shop and go to your card collection right here. Now organize your cards by rarity. So let's say descending. And here you can see my rarest cards. So for the second method you would need to select one of your rare cards and click on this Obtain a Flare button right here. Once you click on that button, you will see an option to exchange this card for one shop ticket, along with 500 Shine Dust. So I don't know if I will really recommend this, but if you have really a lot of duplicate cards of your rare cards, you can try this method. But in order to do so, you would need to have, as you can see, at least 3 duplicate cards. Also, you can use these special shop tickets to go to shop. And if I go to special tickets right here, you can only use them to purchase cosmetics at the moment. So stuff like Pokemon coins, backdrops, covers, and a special playmat. So those are the only 2 methods at the moment on how you can get special shop tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.